Okay, so we will be continuing with quadratic equations, linear equations, and functions. Past year questions. I've collected a lot of past year questions from 2020, 21, and 2022, 23. Okay, multiple slots and different varieties. Like there are. I mean, in each paper, you would find around 2 to 3 sums on linear equations, quadratic equations, and functions. 2 to 3 sums. Okay, can you understand the weightage of it? 2 to 3 sums on each paper. I mean, I'm talking about MAT, CAT, both of them, and other management test as well. So it is that important. Okay, but as I told you, that each topic is such that we cannot give dedicated class on each topic. So the best way to handle this type of chapter is to solve past year questions. Okay, so last year we did till question number this one, the number of integers that satisfy the equality. We did this one last day. Can you see my screens, all of you? Hello, can you see my screen?
So can you adjust your microphone? The voice is not coming in like
Oh, okay, yeah, just that's what
loud
I'm
and
asking. Can you see my screen?
yes.
Hello. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
yeah, so let us do this sum. This is cat 2020. Okay, please try out this. Please try out this sum for 2 minutes and then I'm doing it. you do that? Anybody? Anybody? Or should I do it?
Sir, he can have only two values, I guess, either 1 or 0.
Which one?
So assuming that, like, I don't know the solution. A can have only A can have only two values, like
Why?
1 and 0. Otherwise, condition.
Why 1 and
So
0?
if that is not done, then if it is 1, then it is -2, -1. So otherwise, that equation is not falling in place. Maybe.
Okay. In how many ways can a pair of integers x comma a be chosen such that x square minus 2x? Okay. So see, this is a mod function. I hope what you know about mod. Okay. Anybody who doesn't know about mod? Is there anybody who doesn't know about mod? Like Shritama, do you know about mod?
It's absolute value.
Yes, yes, absolute value. Absolutely correct. Absolute value. Ritama, do you know about mod?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you see, mod actually eats up sign. It always gives a positive value, right? Now, whenever we have this mod thing, there will be various cases. So what is case 1? Case 1 is that mod x, I am taking this x as greater than equals to 0 and a minus 2 is greater than equals to 0. So what will be my equation? X square minus 2x plus a minus 2 equals to 0. This is what we have, right? Now out of which, how to find out x? This is a quadratic equation. I have already taught you how to find out quadratic equation solution. X equals to minus b, that means minus b, okay, plus minus root over b square minus 4ac, okay, by 2a. Okay, this is what we have. Now you see x is what? X is equals to 2 plus minus root over 3 minus 1. This is what we have, right? Now the thing, you see, it is given pair of integers, so that means x has to be an integer, a has to be an integer. All right, so what can be the different values of a? If a is 0, right, if a is 0, what will be this portion? Root 3. Is root 3 an integer? No,
No, sir.
a has to be 1. If a is 1, what is x? X is 2 plus minus root over 3 minus 1 is 2. Still not an integer. So, no. A is equals to what? 2. If a is equals to 2, x is 2 plus minus root over 1. So, 2 plus minus 1. So, 1 is 3 and the other is 1. So therefore, what are the values? So these are feasible values. So what are the values we are getting? 3 comma 2 and 1 comma 2. This is what we are getting, right? If a is equals to 3, then what is x? X is 2 plus minus 0, right? So that is 2 comma 3. Yeah, 2 comma 3. Did you understand this? How we got this particular case?
So how 1 comma 2?
Which
3
one?
comma
See, we got two values, right? We got two values of x. One is 2 plus 1, which is 3, and the other is 2 minus 1, which is 1. So that means what? For when x is 3, at that time a is 2. When x is 1, at that time also a is 2. So two values, 3 comma 2, 1 comma 2.
yes. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now case 2. Case 2. What is the case 2? X is greater than equals to 0, right? And a minus 2 is less than 0, right? This is another case. Since mod absorbs sign, we are actually pulling out the signs individually and calculating them. Okay, x is greater than 0, a is now negative. So that means what is going to be my equation? Shritama, tell me what is going to be my equation? X square minus, what is going to be the sign of this mod x?
X will be negative, but
No, x is positive over here, greater than 0, so it will be 2x. Okay, and what will be this part, Niladri? What will be this plus mod of a minus 2 part?
It will be a minus 2 only.
Minus a minus 2. Okay, minus a minus 2, because a minus 2 is negative now. So what is x? X is minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So 2 plus minus root over 4 minus 4a plus 8. This will be plus, sorry. Minus b plus minus root over, okay, minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac. Yes, this will be plus. Okay, so this is what I'm getting, x equals to 1 plus minus root over a minus 1. Now see, what can be the different values of a over here to get x as integer? Tell me, Shritama. What values of a I can take
A
over here? A,
2.
2. Okay, fine. If a is 2, then x equals to 1 plus minus 1. So that is 2 and 1. So that means I am getting 2 comma 2 and 1 comma 2. Very good. What else, Ritama?
Ritama is not in the video.
যা কোথায় গেল? ও কি রাগ করলো? বলো নীলাদ্রি।
So 5.
5, yes. So yes, of course 5 can be there. So 1 plus minus root over 5 minus 1, 4, which is 2. So that will be 3 minus 1. So that is going to be 3 comma 5. That is going to be 1 minus 5. Okay. Anything else? A will be equals to 1. If a is 1, x equals to 1 plus minus 0, right? So that means 1 comma 1, right? These are the values that we have. Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I think we repeated any values. We repeated 3 comma 2, 1 comma
1 comma 2.
1 comma 2 we repeated, so we can neglect this one. Okay, we can neglect this one. Let's count. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now we have got 7 options till now, seven such choices till now. Okay, now we can actually go for other cases as well, like we have taken x greater than 0 over here, and here also we have taken x greater than 0. Only a minus 2 we have taken negative. Okay, next we can go for a less than 0 as well. But do we need to do that? Because you see in the options the highest value is 7, and we have got 7 options. So even though we get 8 9 10 options, we don't have anything to mark, so we have to choose 7 only. Did you get my point? Why I don't want to proceed? Understood?
So
Niladri,
once more.
see, yeah, once more, sure. So what I'm saying is that till now we have considered two cases. One is when x is greater than or equals to 0 and a minus 2 greater than or equals to 0, and the other is when x is greater than 0 and a minus 2 less than 0. These two cases we considered. We can actually consider more cases. We can consider the case when x is less than or equals to 0 and a minus 2 again greater than or equals to 0. We can consider this case also, right? When we consider this case, we will get few more such pairs, x and y, x and a. But my question is that till now, if we count, we have got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We have got 7 options, right? 7 pairs of, we got 7 pairs of x and a. Yes or no? If I go back to the options and see that in how many ways can a pair of integers be chosen, I can see 7 as the highest option that is given, right? And we have got 7 options, so we don't need to proceed anymore with any other case, because even if we proceed we might get more options, but in that case it will be what, 8 9 10. But we don't have 8 9 10 options in the option set. We have up to 7, so that means 7 will be our answer. Did you understand, Niladri, Shitama?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why I don't want to proceed, Ritama? এটা বুঝতে পেরেছো কি বলতে চাইলাম?
স্যার আমি না মাঝে একটু বেরিয়ে গেছিলাম।
কোথায়, বাড়ি থেকে?
না স্যার, মিটিং থেকে।
ও আচ্ছা, দেখো, এই এই এত অব্দি বুঝতে পেরেছো তো? এই যে আমরা যে 3,2 1,2 2,3 এইগুলো পেলাম, তারপরে এই যে সেকেন্ড কেসটা
হ্যাঁ
কনসিডার
স্যার,
করলাম, সেকেন্ড কেসটা কনসিডার করে আমরা দেখো এইগুলো পেলাম, এইটা পেলাম, এইটা রিপিট করছে তাই কেটে দিয়েছি, তারপরে এটা পেলাম, এটা পেলাম, এটা পেলাম। ওকে, we got these three. Now how many options, how many such pairs did we get? 1 2 3 and 4 5 6 7. We got seven such sets, right? Now I can actually proceed with more cases. Okay, till now I have not taken x is less than or equals to 0. I have taken only x is greater than or equals to 0. I can move with x is less than or equals to 0, but we don't need to do that. Why? Because in the option set 7 is the highest answer. Okay, in the option set 7 is the highest answer, right? And we have got 7 options, so even though we continue, we will get 8 9 10 like this, which we don't need. You get my point? Because even if we get some more
Yes, sir.
such pairs, we don't have an option to mark on it, so 7 is the highest option, so 7 will be our answer. Understood?
স্যার
Yes,
এক্সটাকে
sir.
কেন নেগেটিভ নিলাম না?
নিতে পারো, এক্সটাকে নিতে পারো নেগেটিভ। দেখো এক্সটাকে নেগেটিভ নিলে কি হবে, হয়তো এই যে রিপিটিং আমাদের এলো না, এই যে এই কেসটা যেরকম আমাদের রিপিটিং এলো, ঠিক আছে, ওরকমই হয়তো আর আবার
হ্যাঁ।
সেম রিপিট করবে জিনিসগুলো। কিন্তু তুমি তুমি এক্স নেগেটিভ দিয়েও স্টার্ট করতে পারো। আমি এখানে এক্স পজিটিভ দিয়ে স্টার্ট করেছি, আমি এখানে এই কেসটা দিয়ে স্টার্ট করেছি। তুমি এটা এখানে এক্স ইজ লেস দ্যান ইকুয়াল টু 0, a minus 2 greater than equals to 0 কেস দিয়ে স্টার্ট করতে পারো, ঠিক আছে? You can
আচ্ছা।
start with any combination. So what are the cases that are possible? I'll tell you. See, what are the cases possible? X is greater than 0, a minus 2 greater than 0. X is greater than 0, a minus 2 less than equals to 0. X is less than equals to 0, a minus 2 greater than equals to 0. X is less than equals to 0, a minus 2 less than equals to 0. Do you get my point or not? You can actually go with all of these options. You will see that you will get 7 only. Now since up to doing this particular case, x is greater than equals to 0 and a minus 2 less than equals to 0, I got 7 options. That is why I don't need to proceed any further. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Ritama?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Copy this please quickly. I will move on to the next one. Very quickly copy. Hello.
হয়ে গেছে স্যার।
Done everybody? Done Niladri?
Yes, sir.
Let's move on to the next one. Try out this sum please. রিতমা তোমার কি আজ ইন্টারনেটটা কি ধোকা দিচ্ছে?
না না স্যার, একটা স্টুডেন্টের মাকে কল করতে হলো।
সে কি গো?
কল করলে তো গুগল মিট থেকে বেরিয়ে যায় না।
ও আজকে আমার একটা স্টুডেন্ট, আমি পড়াচ্ছি ক্লাসে, আমারই সামনে বসে বসে ঘুমাচ্ছে আর কি, একদম হেড ডাউন করে সুন্দর। আমি তার ছবি তুলে তোর মাকে পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি।
অফলাইন চাইছে?
অফলাইন দাঁড়াও দেখাচ্ছি। পাঠিয়েছি, হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে পাঠিয়েছি। এই যে মোবাইলে পাঠিয়েছি, দেখো এটা অফলাইন, এটা আমার সামনে, মানে আমার নাকের নাকের তলায় যাকে বলে।
কি অবস্থা স্যার?
বুঝতে পেরেছো? সত্যি কি অবস্থা। Okay, try out this sum please. মাকে পাঠিয়েছি, বলেন মাকে পাঠিয়েছি।
Sir, answer ki 1.
Now go to so let us do fx equals to x square plus ax plus b, gx equals to this. Okay, fx is greater than equals to 0 for all real x, g20 is this, fine. So gx is f of x plus 1, fx is this. So what is f of x plus 1? Ritama, tell me. If fx is this, what is f of x plus 1? Just the expression.
x plus 1 এর হোল স্কোয়ার প্লাস a x plus 1 হ্যাঁ প্লাস b।
Shritama, tell me the expression for f of x minus 1.
x minus 1 whole square
Hmm.
plus ax plus ax minus 1
Plus b.
my plus
So let me just expand this. Awesome. When things gets cut like this, you really feel a sense of satisfaction. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
G of x is this. Now it is given g of 20 is 72. So 72 into 4 plus 2a. 4 2 is 8, 7 4 is 28. Right? And that is equals to sorry. So what is g of 20? G of 20 is g of x is this. G of 20 is going to be what, Tama? Tell me. What is going to be g of 20?
72
No, it's not 74. Here you have the expression, right?
4
4x plus
into
2.
20.
So 80 plus 2a, right? And this is equals to 72. Some sign problem is happening, I think. Wait, let me just check the signs. But just oh, I need to find out the smallest possible value of b. Sorry, I'm thinking about a. Fine. So this is going in the right direction. 72 minus 8 is minus 8, and a is equals to minus 4. Fine. So we got a is equals to minus 4, right? Now it is given f of x is greater than equals to 0. Okay, and we have to find out the smallest value of b. All right. So f of x is greater than equals to 0. So x square plus what is a is minus 4 x Okay, so x square minus 4x plus b, this has to be greater than equals to 0. Now think about it, guys. A quadratic equation will always give you greater than 0. Tell me which type of number always gives you greater than equals to 0. Which type of numbers always gives you greater
Positive.
than 0? Sorry?
Positive.
Square numbers. Like if you
Square
do the
numbers.
square of something, you will always get greater than 0, right? So if x square minus 4x plus b is greater than equals to 0, that means what? You need to represent it in the form of a perfect square. Yes or no? So x square minus 2 into 2x, if that is the case, right, then this has to be what? 2 square. In that case I can say x minus 2 whole square, and this is now expressed in the form of square, which is of course greater than 0. So this is what? B is what? B is 4. Did you understand this part, Iladri Ritama?
Yes, sir.
Niladri?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, so the least value of b is 4. So these type of questions, okay, you need to get your head around. I mean, you need to uh, know a good amount of number system, you need to do some assumptions and all. So this type of things, I hope nobody is, I mean, in the same posture as the picture that I sent you. Actually the I mean, the most painful part is this child has been studying for the last 3 years under me, okay, and he was my needbor even during my marriage, okay, and his mother has been accusing me for the last 3 years that I am not teaching well, teaching properly to him. That is why he is failing in every exam. So this time I thought of taking a picture of him, what he does in the class, and send it to his mother. Copy this sum, we'll move on to the next one then. Please copy this and then we'll move on to the next one. Once done, let me know.
होएगा जी.
Sure, good.
Done, sir.
Great. So what I will do is I will actually break this class into multiple videos based on the cat ear sounds that we're doing, okay, so it will be easy for you to view later.